Hi everyone, today I'm making Necto ice cream. The ingredients you need are a bowl, a mixer, a spoon, an ice cream scooper, around 1 cup of Necto, 1 can of condensed milk, measuring cups, and 2 cups of whipping cream. So the first thing you need to do is to add your 2 cups of whipping cream. One cup and another cup. Now whip it until it turns into whipped cream, and that should take about 5 to 10 minutes and should be thick. Now that it's fully whipped, like this, you have to add your 1 can of condensed milk. Make sure to scrape it out. Now you can also take it off from this. And when you do that, you're going to have to mix by hand. You should turn something like this and keep mixing. After you mixed it by hand, it should look like this. And now you're gonna add around 1 cup of Necto, which is a Sri Lankan juice. And mix that with hand as well. It should turn pink. After you mix your Necto into the whipping cream, you're gonna have to put it in your containers, and then you take some saran wrap and you have to wrap each container up and make sure the saran wrap touches the ice cream batter on each corner. And then you take your lid after and put it on. Take your lid and make sure to close it tight. Now you have to put it in your freezer for 6 hours.
After 6 hours, this is how your ice cream should turn out.
Very good. For the presentation, you could take 2 scoops into a bowl and add toppings if you'd like, such as jelly, some crushed nuts,
or cookies.
Yeah. So you dip your ice cream scooper in hot water
to make it easier to scoop.
And you scoop it up. Now you could add some of your jelly.
Some nuts. And finally, a cookie.
Now your ice cream is ready. Look at the presentation. It looks very good. This is how your ice cream looks like at the end. If you want, you could add some sprinkles. Don't forget to subscribe
and like this video.
Bye.